AirDropped photos not showing up on your iPhone? In this video, we'll explain why it happens and show you 9 effective ways to fix it. Part 1. Where do AirDropped photos go on an iPhone? Photos app. AirDropped photos and videos appear in Recents by Capture Date. Files app. Documents are saved here after choosing an app. Contacts app. Shared contacts can be saved directly. Safari. Links open instantly. Part 2. Why can't I see my AirDropped photos on my iPhone? Settings. AirDrop not enabled. iCloud. Sync delay. Formats. Saved in files. Storage. No space. Dates. Sorted by capture date. Connection. Wi-Fi Bluetooth issues. Transfer failed or incomplete. Power mode. Limits AirDrop. iOS. Software bugs. Part 3. AirDropped photos not showing up on iPhone? 9 quick fixes. Way 1. Restart your iPhone. Way 2. Keep devices closer. Way 3. Verify AirDrop settings. Way 4. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Way 5. Disable low power mode. Way 6. Reopen the Photos app. Way 7. AirDrop a smaller number of images. Way 8. Check corresponding date and time. Way 9. Update iPhone firmware. Part 4. Best alternative to AirDrop from Mac or Windows to iPhone. iOS Transfer lets you easily manage iPhone data by transferring photos, videos, music, contacts, and messages between computers and iOS devices without iTunes or data loss. How to transfer photos from PC to iPad or iPhone with USB using iOS Transfer. Step 1. Connect iPhone and launch the tool. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable, then open the iOS Transfer program on your PC to begin the process. Step 2. Open Photos. Go to Photos to view your iPhone photo library. Step 3. Import photos. Click plus, add files or folder, and select photos to transfer them to your iPhone. Copied photos appear in Photos Recents.